Hello everyone and welcome to TechFixFlix. In this tutorial, we will name your Windows 10 PC on your network. This process has been simplified in Windows 10 and can be completed in a matter of seconds. Why would you want to do this? There are three main reasons. Firstly, your computer may have been named by the manufacturer, or will have been assigned a generic name by Windows. Renaming it will both personalise it and make it immediately recognisable on the network. This leads into the second reason. On a congested network, it will be much easier to recognise Living Room PC or Dell laptop than Win1234, which in turn leads into the third reason, file and resource sharing. In a future tutorial, we will share files and resources between networked machines. Giving each machine a unique name will help when transferring files and sharing resources. To change the name of the device you are using, click on the Start icon, type About and click on About your PC. In the window which opens, you will see the current name of your device. To change it, simply click on Rename this PC and type your new name here. As this is a network name, you cannot include spaces and several other special characters. The system will invite you to modify any name which it cannot accept. We have named our machine as TechFixFlix PC and we click Next to continue. Once we are sure that we have saved all active documents, we click Restart Now to apply the change of name. Upon restart, the device is renamed and will appear upon the network with the name of your choice. If you wish, you can repeat this procedure for each machine on your network. In a forthcoming tutorial, we will share files between networked Windows devices, so these names will be useful identifiers. Finally, some advice for those of you who have previously followed our Netplwiz tutorial for automatic network login. Ideally, you should name your computers using the advice in this tutorial before following the steps in the Netplwiz tutorial, because the automatic login makes use of the computer name which we have now changed, resulting in an attempt being made to automatically log into a computer name which no longer exists. When automatic login fails, enter either your Windows password or PIN to log on to Windows in the traditional way. Then immediately rerun the steps from the Netplwiz tutorial to log in automatically on subsequent occasions. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you found it useful. If you can provide a better, faster or more economical solution, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you'd like more, you are very welcome to subscribe to the TechFixFlix YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Subscription is of course entirely free and provides easy access to all of the videos posted here. Clicking on the neighbouring bell icon means you will be notified whenever a new video is posted. You can also keep in touch by following the official TechFixFlix Twitter account. Until your next TechFix, goodbye.